May I come in, please?
Please come in.
Thank you. May I have the seat, please?
Oh, sure, please.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Well, so what's your name?
My name's Asha Begum Raisa.
My name's Hassan Habibunogi Shobon, and in this session, I'm going to take your basic test. Fine. In this part, I'll be asking you something about your work or study. Do you work or study?
I'm currently studying. I'm in intermediate first year.
And where do you study?
I studied in Government Mohila College. It is located in Narayanganj.
What's your major subject?
My major is science.
Do you like your subject?
Yes, I do. I really like my subject because it's quite interesting.
Well, that's nice. And what part of your subject do you enjoy most?
I enjoy learning new things in every semester, and it helps me to make good connections with my friends and my teachers.
Well, so is it a difficult subject to study?
No, I don't think so. In my opinion, if you know the basic, understand the theory, and practice more, then it will be an easier subject to study.
What kind of school did you go to?
In my early childhood, I studied in a local primary school.
Well, and what was your favorite subject at school?
Math and English were my favorite subject.
What do you like about your college most?
I really like my friends, my friendly teachers, the environment, and mostly the canteen foods.
And what part of your college life do you enjoy most?
Well, I think my previous answer already covers the answer. However, I would say that I really like to gossiping with my friends.
Do you like studying with your friends?
Yes, I do. Studying with my friends is always enjoyable.
Well, Asha, so you have done your test with me, and best of luck for you.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.